Battery sits in the base station but the level doesn't increase. Or the headset shuts off quickly even after charging. This usually points to contact or charging slot issues, not a failed battery. With the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro, the hot swappable battery system depends on proper alignment and clean charging points. You might place the battery in the dock and see no charging indicator or it charges inconsistently. In some cases, dust or slight misplacement prevents proper contact. Other times, the battery needs resetting or the base station needs a quick reset. Instead of assuming the battery is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore proper charging. 1. Remove the battery from the base station slot. 2. Check and clean the metal contacts on both battery and dock. 3. Reinsert the battery carefully, ensuring proper alignment. Number 4. Try the second battery slot if your base station has one. Number 5. Restart the base station or reconnect its power. 6. Place the battery again and check for charging indication.